Hi guys! Today I'm here to show you how I've made Shinobu's butterfly hair clip, using only basic and affordable materials anyone can work with. So let's get to it. I started by outlining the shape of the butterfly on paperboard, and then proceeded to cut off the excess material. Paperboard is one of the easiest materials to work with, and can become really strong and resistant if you layer it. So keep that in mind before throwing away your cereal boxes. You're gonna need at least one other butterfly so you can glue them together. But if you're looking for sturdiness, you can build it up and add a couple more layers of paperboard. I'm gluing mine together using wood glue and a brush to spread it evenly. I then press them together carefully to get the glue to really stick and to remove any air pockets. After letting it dry, I added a tiny bit of water to the wood glue and mixed it well. Now that the glue is a bit thinner, I used it to coat the entire butterfly. This wood glue layer will harden the prop and also work as a primer. So make sure you coat both sides as evenly as possible. After that also dried, I used the pencil to draw a basic butterfly wing outline. Now it's finally time to add some color. I used water to wet my brush slightly every now and then for an easier paint application and a smoother finish. I'll mix the colors I'll be using myself, and I actually ran out of white paint while mixing this one, so it ended up a bit darker than I originally intended. If you're looking for accuracy, definitely go for a lighter shade. I actually did 2 layers of each color, letting the first one dry before applying the second layer. And of course, I then repeated the entire process on the back of the prop as well. Then I finally moved on to the details, starting off with the green dots and shapes that adorn our wings. I went over the first layer of green 2 or 3 times to get a bit more intensity. Since I'm painting them over a darker color, this was definitely necessary for the details to show and stand out. Now that we're pretty much done with paint brushes and drying, it's time to draw the butterfly pattern. And for that, I used a black permanent marker and the steadiest hand I could manage. To transform this butterfly prop into an actual hair clip, I added a regular metal clip to it so that it can be safely attached to Shinobu's wig. And there you have it, Shinobu's butterfly hair clip. This is actually my third butterfly hair clip tutorial video. So if you're looking for tutorials on Kanae's or Kanao's butterfly hair clips, I'll leave them on these videos and screen for you. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to ask questions and request more tutorials you would be interested in. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!